What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today I have right here the ESR magnetic case, which is compatible with the new iPad mini 6th gen. And I want to show you, kind of unbox it and show you how it looks on the iPad mini 6th generation. Thank you for ESR for sending out this case. They make amazing products from chargers, from car chargers to desk MagSafe compatible desk stands to chargers for your desk. They make really good Halo lock cases, which are MagSafe compatible for your iPhones, for the new iPhone 13s, as well as cases for the iPad mini 6th gen. But before I do begin, I'd really appreciate if you can give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell notifications, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm and will help push my content out to more people. And also, just as a heads up, I do want to put it out there that right up here is the iPhone 13 mini, and right over here is the iPhone 12 mini. And I've been recording my past few videos, more than just a few now, with my iPhones. And I just want to show that you can make content, you can make videos with your iPhone, or even if you have an Android device. So if you're on the market looking for a new iPhone, and you're really hesitant on making a YouTube channel or making videos, now's the perfect time, because the best smartphone or the best camera you have is the one in your pocket, which is your smartphone. Now, without further delay, let's get right into this video. All right, so here is my iPad mini 6th generation. I have the 256 gigs purple. I wanted to get the Starlight, but I wish it was gold. It's not. It's like a mixture of silver and gold, and it's just this really subtle gold. But anyway, let's take a look at this case. And this is the blue one, which I really do dig. So here is that. Let's go ahead and get this guy right on. So now remember, the iPad mini 6th generation does not have the smart pins, so there isn't a smart keyboard connector or smart cases, but it is, this is magnetic. So it does, and you can already feel that if you listen real closely. There you go. You can listen and hear that it magnetically does attach, and there we go. That's actually really nice and minimal, nice and clean. And I do like the texture on this case as well. And if I do want to kind of open it up, there we go. Touch ID, enter. And then if I do want to kind of place this as a holder, just gotta go like this right here. And there you go. That's really your holder. And you can kind of watch videos when you're making breakfast like I do. And it's the fact that it kind of has this right here that kind of closes it, and it makes sure that, you know, the flap isn't going to open. It's a good thing. I like this. If we take a look at Apple does not have that. It is magnetic, but it does not have this as well. So like maybe when you're carrying it might just flop like this. Who knows? It hasn't happened to me because I don't do that. But I just like that it gives this extra protection right here. And the texture is just really nice and soft. And this blue color is actually really, really nice. But other than that, it's going to offer just that protection of covering if you don't have a screen protector and you don't want a screen protector. Granted, you don't really need to worry about, you know, if you are going to get a screen protector, or if you're hesitant, like, you don't need to worry because first of all, the Touch ID is embedded into the home button, so it's not really under the display. I know, like, if you get a glass screen protector for like Samsung phones, I got one for my S21, the in-display fingerprint sensor did not work. So you don't have any issues like that. You can also kind of mount it up just like this too and watch your videos, or if you have your Apple Pencil and you want to go ahead and edit some photos, you can right here. Let's open just the brightness a little bit, and I can go in and pretty much edit my photos, maybe work on my desk setup video, or go ahead and work on my thumbnail, maybe for the iPhone 13 Pro Max versus the iPhone 13 mini. Still debating if I should go ahead and release this video. And here's another one that I can use as a thumbnail. But it's just really portable. The fact that this iPad mini is it's super portable, and I like it. It's a really good tablet in my opinion. And if we go like this, let's say we want to hold the Apple Pencil inside. There we go. I like this. Like, you can hold your Apple Pencil and it fits snug in here because it also clicks in magnetically, and then you just cover it up like that. But if you were to take, for example, the Apple case, so let's go ahead and put on the Apple case. If you're going to take it, the Apple Pencil is just going to stick right onto it. Like, it's not going to, watch. So here we go. It just sticks like that. And like, if you push really hard, it's going to fall off. But the fact that, it has a little pouch in here, so when you cover it up, it sits in there really nice and snug. That's what I really do like about it. Let's go ahead and put the iPad mini 6 back into this case right here, because I'm actually going to use this because it provides more of that protection. All right, there we go. And let's fit that Apple Pencil, close it up. There we go. That's the ESR magnetic compatible case for the iPad mini 6. Anyway, that about wraps up this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Definitely be sure to check out ESR. They make awesome stuff. They make awesome cases. They make awesome chargers. I've been using their MagSafe compatible car charger for months now, and it's just been a breeze. Just sit in the car and pop your phone onto that MagSafe compatible car charger, and it doesn't fall off when I'm driving. The magnets are super powerful. They're really strong and they stick onto it really well. They make awesome cases for the brand new iPhone 13 series. I made a video on that as well for the 13 Pro Max and 13 Mini. Be sure to check that out. I'll leave the link to that video in the description down below. But like I said, check out ESR. They make awesome cases and chargers. Anyway, like I said, be sure to smash that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video. And it just means a lot that you guys watch my videos and help out. You guys make my dream become a reality. It's all thanks to you guys. I'm able to check out these awesome products, work with these awesome companies. So really, each and every one of you, thank you so much for supporting the channel. We got a lot of content coming up. It's going to be a hectic 2-3 months, October, November, and December, but a lot of great content coming. So be sure to stay subscribed if you aren't, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.